The thickness of a coal mine seam is related to the rate at which the Earth's crust is falling in the area and how much plant remains are accumulated. If the Earth's crust falls fast, the plant remains pile up thick, and the coal seam of this coal mine will be thick. Otherwise, if the Earth's crust falls slowly and the plant remains pile up thin, the coal seam of this coal mine will be thin. The widespread use of coal makes the use of ball pressing equipment more common. Strict attention should be paid in use. 1. Hard objects such as iron and stone are strictly prohibited from entering the machine. 2. The granularity of the material to be processed should be ensured below 3 mm, otherwise it will affect the molding and reduce the service life of the machine. 3. Coal ball press is strictly prohibited to start with heavy load, and non-technical personnel are strictly prohibited to disassemble and adjust the equipment randomly. 4. Coal ball press regular maintenance, observation reducer, and bearing seat is lack of oil.